Hey everyone, welcome back to Balance Blueprint. Today I'm going to do a demonstration on the medicine ball. In order to complete this routine, you're going to need a specific type of medicine ball. The one I'm using is a hard rubber 12-pound medicine ball. It all depends on how much weight it needs to bear and your total weight. The heavier you are, the more stronger and rigid of a ball you're going to require. Keep in mind, heavier balls are a lot more rigid and might put too much pressure on your muscles. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start with a 6-pound, see how it feels, and work your muscle at a lower weight before you work your way up. I usually start by working on my glutes. I'll roll around a little, trying to feel if I feel any injuries or any sore spots, making sure to work them out. I'll then move on to my back. I use the medicine ball to straighten out any kinks I may have acquired throughout my day. It's so easy to forget how important our backs are, keeping us upright all day long. Another reason I enjoy using a medicine ball like this is because I use it to improve my posture. I swear this could be my favorite part of my day. As I do this, I get the greatest sense of relief up and down my spine as I roll on it. I really want you to try it out. There's nothing like it. I know this routine may seem a little challenging, but remember, start out, do whatever you can, and it's all about progress, one step at a time. They don't call this the medicine ball for no reason. It's a very dynamic type of stretching, and it's very beneficial for your body. In my personal opinion, using the medicine ball doesn't only stretch your body out, it also strengthens it. The benefits that you receive are innumerable. I won't forget my neck, make sure to keep my head appropriate, stretch it out, bring my arms down, and then I'm going to slowly get myself back up and continue to work on my glutes. There's really not a part of your body that you can't use the medicine ball on, and there's so many different variations and ways of using it. As you can see here, I'll apply a stretch on my muscle, the glute, and I'll apply as much pressure as I desire using my weight and put that pressure exactly where I desire and for as long as I desire. And that's exactly why I love the medicine ball. How else are you going to get a spa quality massage exactly where you want it with exactly how much pressure you want it? It's almost impossible to find. Remember, everything you do is dynamic. You want to be as efficient as possible, and just because you're doing the medicine ball and working on your glutes doesn't mean that's all you're thinking about. Focus on your posture, make sure everything is aligned, and do your best to incorporate as many of the things that you desire in any action that you're completing. Before I exercise, I always run. A good way to work on your calves is by using the medicine ball. It can really straighten out any kinks that you may have acquired over the years from all the steps that you take. Remember, you have the freedom to work on any part of the body that you desire. Customize the routine according to your lifestyle. If you use your back a lot, work on your back. If you use your legs a lot, work on your legs. If you like to ride your bike, make sure you work on your hamstring. One of the goals I have for myself is to be able to do the splits one day. You can even utilize the medicine ball to increase flexibility. As you can see here, I'm working on my inner thigh, and even the way that I do it will increase my hip mobility. And like I said earlier, this is a very dynamic routine. It's going to take a lot of time to build up the strength in your shoulders and the strength in your back to hold yourself up as long as I may be doing so. But I promise, once you do so, it'll be worth it. And no matter who you are, I know you'll be able to do this. Anyways, if you like today's episode, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And remember, I'm always rooting for you.